So guys, today I've got a shocking new realization for the Jasmy Coin price, and I'm really excited to discuss what we could expect in the next couple of days for the Jasmy Coin price, what are the important levels to look out for, the possible bullish and bearish scenarios, and much more. So you definitely wouldn't want to miss this update video I have right now for the Jasmy Coin price. So today we are inside the daily time frame, and I just realized something massive forming for the Jasmy Coin price, and I must inform you guys about this possible breakout we could see in the next couple of days and keep you aware of exactly what could potentially happen in the next couple of days. So as you guys can see right now for the Jasmy Coin price, we are still essentially trading within the same range we have been for the past couple of weeks right here, which is pretty boring price action. But do not let this fool you, because in my personal opinion, based on what I'm seeing in the charts, I believe a big move could be imminent for the Jasmy Coin price. And let me explain exactly why I think a big move coming is possible for Jasmy Coin, and that you should not sleep over this coin right now. Because right here you guys can see we have this trend line, or this resistance trend line, which has been holding the price down since the month of March. Right here you guys can see it has been rejecting the price multiple times, and it has acted as resistance. We have had one fake out over here, but that doesn't really matter. But the thing I'm trying to say right now is this is a resistance trend line, which we must break out of in order to flip a bullish and expect higher prices. We must break above this trend line. Now, the big news I have right now is, take a look at this. This is resistance, and this is a critical support zone. And right now, the Jasmy Coin price is essentially consolidating. And as you can observe clearly, the price is right now getting compressed between support and resistance. And at some point, we are going to be reaching this area right here, where the price is eventually going to be making a decision on which way it wants to head to, either to the upside or to the downside. So right now I'll be mentioning the conditions that should be met and what are the levels to look out for. So like I've said, at this general area right here, this is where you should be prepared right now, because this is usually where big things start to happen for the price. Because as you guys can see, we are going to be squeezed between support and resistance, so the price will be compressed at this point and a breakout will eventually happen. So here are the conditions. If we do see Jasmy Coin break above this trend line, above this resistance trend line, that would be good for the price, and we could expect the Jasmy Coin price to pump back to the upside to this blue zone, or this zone of supply, and that is located at around 0.0248 cents. So from the price we are at right now, if we pump to that level, that would be about a 40% pump towards the upside. However, for the bearish case, if we do see Jasmy Coin unfortunately break below support right here, if we do break below this red zone or break below 0.016 cents, we could very much see Jasmy Coin move towards the next support zone right here at around 0.013 cents. So look out for these targets again. The first target, if we do break above this resistance trend line, we are targeting a pump towards the upside to 0.0248 cents. But if we do break below this red zone, which is bearish, if we do break below this red zone, we could be expecting the price to dump to 0.013 cents, which is pretty bad. So yeah, the thing I'm trying to warn you about right now is do not sleep on Jasmy Coin right now, because it seems like, based on what the chart is saying, a big move could be imminent for Jasmy Coin. The price is getting compressed between support and resistance. We are seeing that squeeze right here for Jasmy Coin, and once you do reach this general area right here between support and resistance, we're going to be eventually seeing a breakout either towards the upside or towards the downside. So watch out for this potential scenario, and do not sleep on Jasmy Coin right now. Now let's move to the weekly time frame and discuss my current viewpoint or my current outlook in the long term for Jasmy Coin. So in general, I'm still expecting higher prices for Jasmy Coin, and essentially for the entire crypto altcoin market. I believe that as the bull run continues, everything is going to pump, and I believe that Jasmy Coin will also pump towards the upside. And we have the respective targets right here. Actually, we have 0.0365 cents as our next target for the next leg towards the upside for Jasmy Coin in the long term. And from the price we're at right now, that would be about a 130% pump towards the upside. And then after this level, we have 0.071 cents and then 0.1 cent. So these are the three targets to look out for in the long term. Keep in mind that these targets are not final yet, and I will be adjusting them respectively as the bull run continues. So far, so good. The Jasmy Coin price still looks intact right here in the price action in the longer weekly time frames, and there's essentially nothing to worry about. The only time I would be worried for the Jasmy Coin price is if we do see Jasmy Coin break below this red zone. So as long as we're above this red zone, there's nothing to worry about, and the price action still looks good. Also, I would like to tell you guys that we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people, you need the network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now, because this does not last for long.